Good morning, students. Today we are here with the next chapter of your course book, Everest Reactions by R.K. Narayana. In this chapter, students, this story is written by R.K. Narayana and he tells us about the youngest member of a family, and the name of the youngest member was Thambi, and the age of that boy was only 12 years, means he was only 12 years old. He is the youngest member of the family as well, who had a habit of dashing with every report of cricket scores, traffic traffic accidents and other such matters. Which he used to tell to his elders, who listened to him very interestingly. Attentively, the elders of the family used to listen to him. And here, that day, he came crying out, the Everest had been conquered. The Everest had been conquered. They have reached the top, mean Mount Everest being climbed by two people. Tenzing and Hillary are the two people described here. And people thought he was joking. Although Thambi was accurately reporting when he felt people's interest in living was decreasing. He tried to name them, he tried to generate the interest by bringing the news of dacoits and any other story of the neighborhood that used to be full of interest. And such story could make elders sit and chat and have a healthy discussion. From where he brought the story, people felt happy that he brought the activeness in their elderly life. They asked from where he brought the news. He said, got it over from radios and from the neighborhood. And the elder people told him, why don't you study? They want him to make study. Why you keep off looking here and there in the neighborhood all day? And they advised Thambi to be sincere in regard of study. Then what he replied? Thambi replied, no, I kept on reading only for a moment. I watched. And I went out. Where he went out? He went out to the neighborhood areas and there he used to collect the news from. And only I know this much, that people have climbed Everest. Then the elders told him, who keep on telling you this cock and troll story? And he said, I know. One day somebody would climb on the Everest. Elders said, it is impossible. Oh, then another boy came and told, yes, Tenzing and Hillary have climbed the Mount Everest. And he was delighted. He was very happy and told they have brought the idea of its real height. Then the elders said, "Impossible. Who have been putting this idea to your mind? You people are befooling us." He said, "It is correct, and people had been waiting for this for a long time." And soon the elders also accepted it, that the news was very true. And the whole day they discussed about all these things only, and about the topic of Mount Everest only. Their reactions were interesting too. But there was a general, but there was a general sense of disappointment among all the people that Everest has been conquered. At least it should be kept unconquered. At least they should have left it. People should not conquer all the things under this circumstances. People should feel proud for Tenzing and Hillary in that area, but they are just talking about here and there, irrelevant things. They had discussion full day, and the man said it might have done in proper time according to horoscope. That's why it is possible. The other says no matters for preparation, knowledge, and study, and scientific approaches, or we can say scientific applications. The other says study become successful when it began at right moment. Means here different peoples had different opinions, and some says they might not have gone on the proper way. Then one said, okay, one has done, so people will start going on holiday resort. And one says there is so much lie that people will start digging and sending to earth and be useful for cold storage. After that, what is given there, it has been said that even some of the geographers might say that we can't help feeling that the Everest is in India. Even Tenzing, do you know, is an Indian. And I won't be happy until I hear that an Indian expedition has planted its flag on the Everest. That were the views by another person. Oh, how are you sure that someone is not ready at it? And they were just busy in the logical methods that we can do many things. We could climb the highest peak without any special equipment. And there are more things in heaven. They were just kept on discussing the things. Further discussion on the subject was stopped when Thambi burst into the room in his usual lightning manner with the announcement. And what was the announcement, dear students? The announcement was, my friend's father, who had gone hunting last night, it seems has bagged 5 tigers simultaneously. That means here Thambi was going to announce that 5 of the tigers were killed by the father of his friends at the same time. And it was really striking news for the elders. So now it's the end of the story, and I want you to read out the story from your course book also. You have to write down the word bank, as well as you have to read the chapter, and after that you have to write the question answer and fill the exercises in your book only. So have a nice day. Goodbye.